Bro, this Justin Bieber paid 1.3 million for an NFT that's now only worth 60K. Now, that's exactly what NFTs was, a market that was so hyped that the bubble popped and most of the people that had money tied up in it lost, which is why 98% of people felt like NFTs was a scam. There's another craze in the crypto market right now, and these go by the name of Memecoin. And I'm gonna tell you what killed NFTs and why meme coins are next. All right, so first, the similarities between NFTs and meme coins. Both NFTs and meme coins are similar in this way, and this honestly might be the biggest. Anybody can make an NFT project. Anybody can create a meme coin. Meme coins are actually crazy easy to create. I could actually make you a step-by-step video on how to publish and create a meme coin 100% from scratch, which is honestly a huge problem if I can do it. Bro, we seeing meme coins pop up by the thousands overnight, which is also what we've seen happen with NFTs. And you might be thinking like, hey Rico, anybody can create cryptocurrency. And you're right, but that takes me to the next point. Meme coins, just like NFT, rely heavily on community-driven value, right? And when you compare that to an established cryptocurrency like Bitcoin was built. And more importantly, Bitcoin was built for a purpose. Think of it this way, right? Meme coins are like a seasonal restaurant. People only go there because other people go there, creating like hype and virality around it. But once that virality wears off, so does the success of that restaurant, which if you're an investor, bro, that's the worst case scenario. Now, both are very speculative with intrinsic value, right? I know we pulled the dictionary out for that, but you know I'm gonna break it down. You know I'm gonna tell you what it means. So NFTs and meme coins both are based off all speculation, meaning people are speculating and even betting on the fact that these will increase in value. I mean, that's the whole reason you buy into them, right? So in turn, what that does is create a system where people don't buy into them because they do something or because they hold any value. You're simply buying into them with the idea that you're gonna be able to sell it for more later. Now, lack of intrinsic value. Intrinsic value, put simple, is something that has value within itself, right? So for example, a house, right? This house has intrinsic value, and it don't matter if you think my house is worth $5 or the next person might think it's worth $500,000. I can live in this house regardless. Therefore, it holds intrinsic value. NFTs and meme coins do not hold intrinsic value. So once the hype dies down, there's actually nothing there to hold the value of it together at all. Now, that brings me to what killed NFTs. The first thing that killed NFTs is market saturation, right? Everybody and their mama and their little sister made an NFT. I mean, I even have a video where I walk you through how to create a whole collection through Photoshop if you have that experience with Photoshop. Now, what happened was 95% of the NFT projects that were on the market were all trash, all viewed as not valuable, and all ended up being useless in the long run. NFTs died because they lacked real utility, right? So NFTs were actually designed to have utility, meaning we were supposed to be able to use NFTs for something, right? For some reason. Instead, all we got was expensive JPEG images. NFTs also died because they played on the fear of missing out like no other. What I mean is, there were so many events, right? So many investor circles, so many conferences that just simply did not happen. That also contributed to why people felt like NFTs were a scam. All right, now I'm about to keep it real with you. Here's the thing. At least NFTs were created and were supposed to have some sort of value. They were supposed to create like some sort of like digital ownership, whether that's games, art, digital contract, you name it. Meme coins wasn't designed to do anything, bro. They literally just jokes and memes that people throw money at. And while NFTs have failed for now, I personally think the world was maybe 10 to 15 years too early to NFT. Because really, I mean, technically we already use NFTs, right? Just under different names, right? In-app purchases on your cell phone are technically NFTs because NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. These are non-fungible items that you're purchasing, right? If you're buying Fortnite skins, if you're buying 2K gear, those are technically NFTs as far as the idea of it. Sam's Club, right? You still have your Sam's card, but a lot of the new Sam's Clubs are moving like completely cashless. You don't even need a card. You just show them your membership on your app and you're granted access to that store. That's pretty much NFTs in a nutshell. So I personally think NFTs will be back. However, they will not come back like they did, meaning next time, maybe everybody and their mama might be able to create an NFT collection, but I don't think they'll be successful. It's gonna take corporations like Disney, like Nike, like Walmart or Sam's to bring it back and really do it the right way so that everybody can see what they're supposed to be, which is pretty much digital proof of either a membership or even real world items. All right, now, let me tell you why meme coins are next. First of all, there's too many meme coins without differentiation, meaning they all follow the same format, right? And they don't offer anything new. There's literally nothing new as far as the reason, none of that. Now, let's compare it to the originals, right? Like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. I hope I'm saying that right. Dogecoin succeeded because it was a first of its kind. And then Shiba came, and then Shiba came right behind it and built the community with unique branding, right? Because it was ultimately supposed to be like the Dogecoin competitor, even the Dogecoin killer. But see now, most new meme coins are just riding the hype cycle, which we've already talked about, not a feasible long-term strategy for the overall success and growth of something in terms of an investment. And so they all just really clones of each other. And that's why the market is oversaturated and unsustainable, right? We're talking about the unsustainable hype, right? Most of these projects fall off after the hype goes on. And then the people at the top, the people who were in on it early, they get the money, they run off, and then everybody is just kind of left looking for the next coin. There's also a lot of scams and rug pulls starting to emerge that's kind of damaging trust. Like, bro, the Hawk Tour girl the other day just did it in front of our eyes. See, and I could be mistaken, correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but I feel like in one night she made a meme coin, she ran up a couple million, and then boom, dumped it. Like, bro, the Hawk Tour girl, I swear I was tripping when I seen that. But just like NFTs, right? What's gonna start to happen is bad news travels farther than good news, right? And for the everyday person who is maybe somewhat interested in meme coins, just like they were somewhat interested in NFTs, they're gonna start to see headlines, and it's either gonna be, boom, this celebrity spent millions on this NFT or meme coin. And then the other articles they're gonna see is just like we started to see the articles of all the people over the NFT projects getting hit by the feds, coming up missing, going off the grid, and pretty much running off with everybody's money. So in their mind, they're gonna see, boom, celebrities getting scammed. I don't want to get scammed. I'm not interested in this anymore. The ability to scale meme coins further than the people that are already interested is going to go down, which will contribute to why that bubble is gonna pop as well. As to what, there's just too many red flags as to why the meme bubble will pop, bro. Because as I listed, right, all the cons, all the negative strikes that NFT had, but none of the upside, right? Because I will die on this hill, NFT at least had purpose. But let's talk about what that means for you if you're somebody who's interested in trading meme coins or already trading meme coins. First, if you're trading or interested in trading meme coins, bro, you need to be careful. It's that simple. However, this ain't intended to kind of like scare you away from it, because there are some pros, right? Because I'm gonna be real, meme coins do have some upside. They fun, right? They're funny, they're fun. They create a sense of community for some people, and some people have got rich and made life-changing money. I'm not gonna front and I'm not gonna flex like that ain't happening. Just like during the NFT wave, we actually seen some people make some millions in this game. And the same thing is happening with meme coins. But here's the catch. Those people knew when to get out. So the question you gotta ask yourself is, how do we know when to get out? So far, nobody has that answer. Right now, people are just enjoying the wave, enjoying the fun that they're having with meme coins. And if you're that interested and you do your research, then I advise you to do the same, but just be smart and know when to get out. Rico Gang, I love y'all, man. Let's get it.